This week I customized some McDonald's Happy Meal toys, and I'm going to show you how I did it. But these Leo and Raph I got recently from a thrift shop. Donnie and Mikey I had already lightly customized years ago when I got them in Happy Meals, because grown men can eat Happy Meals. If I wanted to buy 6 nuggets, it would cost a lot more. Anyway, so what did I do? I gave a clear coat to Raph and Leo, because my plan right now, I was gonna try to bring them up and make them match what I did to Mike and Donnie, but Mike and Donnie were looking a little dark, so I have a scowling pad. I went over Donnie, and then for Mikey I wet it a little, and that took off a lot more of the wash that I had put on before. Maybe a little more than I wanted, but I used the other side that was drier. Now I have a black wash. It's just black acrylic and water, and I'm going over Leo, trying to make sure I get in all the little cracks and details, and then just pat off anything extra with some paper towel there. I'm actually using McDonald's paper towel too, because I don't know, it's just the right like non-absorbent to absorbent ratio to get a good wash. It won't pull out of all the details, but it'll still grab what's on top. I don't know, I just like McDonald's napkins for that, and that's the only reason I ever eat McDonald's, not because the nuggets are good. So I move on, because as I was doing that I realized they've got pads that are only partially painted and other parts that are only partially painted, so I go in with brown on their pads to just get a coat in there. But I also realized when I used the scowling pad on them, I took off a lot of the matte varnish that I'd used as my primer previously, so all the paint took a couple extra layers, and then I had them pretty much matching, and I thought, well, this is kind of boring. The video would have been done. So what can I do? I gave them some black pants. I just used a black acrylic primer mixed with black acrylic paint. And I wanted to use black because then I can dry brush silver, which I'm doing now, and it pops out a lot more. And I thought that would give them a little more spacey, metallic vibe. And I also dry brush silver on the white parts too, to make them look more metal, but you can't really tell. Well, the silver over the white doesn't pop out nearly as much, is what I was trying to say. Now I started adding colors, details, all of their own colors. Gave a bunch of red and orange and blue and purple, just to make everything pop out more and make them look cooler and, you know, different than how they came. And now I cover everything with a clear coat to seal it all up. And now, because I've got a few of these, and all of them, Donnie is missing the bow staff. So I have this bow staff I made for him years ago when I customized them the first time, but it's just a wooden bow staff, and they all have like space weapons and stuff. So that's just a shiny plastic lace, it's called, that I got at the dollar store, and I wrapped it around with some super glue. I'm one day gonna invest in the spray that like quickens the super glue drying, because I had to hold that for a really long time before it stayed. But I edited it so you don't have to see that. Then I give them all a bit of a black wash again, just because some of like the orange was too bright, and just to blend in the stuff I painted with the wash I gave to the rest of it before. Now I show how I made this background, and it's just a adhesive tile from the dollar store. It was $4. I got 2, so I did a silver and a bronze one, and I thought it makes a great background for like space-based figures, because the inside of a spaceship might look like that. But also I got a bunch more of these guys in an eBay haul, and I thought of different ideas to do some more, but I don't know if I want to do like bright or dark. These ones kind of went in the middle with the black pants and the still light on top. Let me know what you think. Light or dark or bright or dark. What should I do? Thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.